Good morning, students. Welcome to chemistry class. Today we are discussing about the from solution chapter depression of freezing point. This is third one of this is third colligative property we are discussing in this unit. So colligative properties you know already what is colligative properties, which is depend on the number of solid particles or not but not nature of the solid particles. Then and we know already relative lowering of vapor pressure and elevation of boiling point. Elevation of boiling point. Now third one is depression of freezing point. Depression of freezing point. So depression of freezing point. Depression of freezing point. So freezing point. This is also depend on the. This is also depend on the vapor pressure of the liquid solution. Vapor pressure of the liquid solution solvent. Then here in previous video we know elevation of boiling point means boiling point will be increases. Boiling point will be increases. Now here depression means decrease the freezing point. Decrease the freezing point. Freezing point means the temperature at which becomes liquid phase to solid phase. Liquid phase to solid phase. So according to this, freezing point is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of the substance in its liquid phase is equal to its vapor pressure in the solid phase. The temperature at which the vapor pressure of the substance in its liquid phase is equal to its vapor pressure in the solid phase. So delta TF. So delta TF means this is a depression freezing point. Depression in freezing point. So then this is well defined as, this is why, because this is depend on the vapor pressure of the liquid phase. So generally vapor pressure decreases. Generally vapor pressure decreases when adding non-volatile solid to the solvent. Non-volatile solid to the solvent. When adding non-volatile solid to the solvent, the automatically vapor pressure will be decreases. Then automatically same thing. Depression of the freezing point also solution will be decreases. So how much will be decreases? That is the change is called here depression in freezing point of the solvent. So we can write that delta TF equal to TF naught minus TF. Delta TF, this is change in freezing point or depression in freezing point of the solvent, that equal to, then we can define as the freezing point of the pure solvent, the difference between freezing point of the pure solvent and that of the solution. Freezing point of the difference between freezing point of the pure solvent to that of the solution. Freezing point of that of solution. So this is freezing point of the solution. This is freezing point of the pure solvent. Freezing point of the pure solvent. So then this is the about this. Then this is the what is depression and freezing point means. Depression and freezing point means the difference between freezing point of the pure solvent to that of the solution. Delta TF equal to TF naught minus TF naught minus TF. Then so this is also depend on the molar concentration of the solution, molar concentration of the solid present in the solution. That's why that is differential in freezing point. Differential in freezing point directly proportional to molarity. Directly proportional to molarity. So T delta TF directly proportional to molarity. Then we can write TF delta TF equal to KF into M. KF into M. So here delta TF is, you know, the depression in freezing point, and KF elevation of depression constant, molar elevation. This is molar depression constant or cryoscopic constant. This is molarity. So we know here this is the Franklin zone, this is liquid phase, and this is liquid solvent, this is solution, and here this is converted into liquid, converted into solid phase, and here this point is liquid converted into solid phase. This is solution, this is liquid solvent only, this is pure. Means what? You know what is this? That is temperature. This temperature is higher for the solvent, and for the solution is lower temperature. Means what? The temperature will be decreases. Why? Because means when adding non-volatile solid, adding non-volatile solid, automatically vapor pressure will be decreases. So same thing here, when automatically vapor pressure decreases, and automatically freezing point also decreases. So this is depend on the number of particles, the number of solid particles. This is also depend similar to that of boiling point, elevation of boiling point, and relative lowering of vapor pressure. So you know that what is the molarity? Molarity equal to W2 by M2 into 1000 by W1. Then here then this is substituted in this one. Delta TF equal to KF into W2 into 1000 by M2 into W1. When we calculated M2, molar mass of the solid, M2 equal to KF into W2 into 1000 divided by delta TF into W1. So here grams, number of grams of solvent, and this is number of grams of solid, and this is 1000 grams, and this is molar mass of the solid. So here KF is what is the KF? Elevation. This is KF means cryoscopic constant or cryoscopic constant or molar depression constant. So what is the molar depression constant? Means what is the depression constant? Means 1 mole of solid present in 1 kg of the solvent. That is called cryoscopic constant or molar depression constant or proportionality constant. So this KF and KB, that is depend on the nature of the solvent. The units for this KF and KB units Kelvin kg per mole. Or mole inverse. Units for the KB and KF. That is units for that one. Kelvin kg per mole or mole inverse. The relation between concentration of the solution and KF, we can write the KB and KB which depend on the nature of the solvents. That can be related to the, we can write Kf equal to R into M1 into Tf naught divided by 1000 into delta H. This is fusion, enthalpy of fusion, and this similar to that Kb equal to R into M1 into Tb naught divided by 1000 into vaporization, enthalpy of vaporization. Here this is enthalpy of evaporation, this is enthalpy of fusion. So this is Tf naught and Tb naught means Tbf naught equal that is that is freezing point of the pure solvent, and this is boiling point of the pure solvent. Then R is gas constant, M is molar mass of the solvent. So that is also we can used for some of the problems. So this is depression in freezing point. So here also we calculated by using M2, by using this formula. The molar mass will be determination of molar mass by using this formula. M2 equal to Kf into W2 into 1000 by delta Tf into W1. So this is depression of freezing point.